Help us plant and protect 10,000 trees and native plants. One powerful way to address the climate crisis and reduce carbon in the atmosphere is through effective land stewardship and restoration. In fact, the United Nations recognizes land use and management as one of the top 3 best strategies for addressing climate change. By planting more trees and other native plants, we're capturing more carbon. Plants store carbon not only above ground, but in their root systems underground. Even if a wildfire occurs, the carbon stored in the soil by trees, bunch grasses, and other native plants with deep root systems will remain. As a part of our climate action plan, Save Mount Diablo launched a project to plant or protect 10,000 trees and native plants in 10 years. And between July and December of 2021, we protected and planted 1,000 native trees and plants. We're putting tree tubes or cages around native tree seedlings, both those we've planted and those that are volunteer seedlings, to protect them so that they can survive into adulthood. This strategy is especially important for native oak seedlings, which often get nibbled by small mammals and other animals. We're also removing weeds to give native plants more room to grow and planting new trees and native plants from seed or certified nurseries. We invite you to help us plant and protect 10,000 native trees and plants. To sign up, visit bit.ly/10,000plants.